Hello students, today we are going to learn about dashes in English grammar. A dash is a punctuation mark, but do you know that there are several types of dashes? Let's check the types of dashes. The main types of dashes are n dash, m dash, horizontal bar, figure dash, and a minus sign is also a dash. A dash looking similar to a hyphen or minus sign is just a punctuation mark. You will be wondered that there are many types of dashes, each used for specific function. The most common version of dash are n dash and m dash. What are these? Let's see in details.
Now why the name m dash and n dash? Actually a n dash has the equal size or width as the letter n. And a m dash has the width or size equal to the alphabet m. So m dash is little wider than n dash. The m dash, also known as spaced n dash, are used to separate a sentence and a pair. Means first, a group or pair, then the explanation or to present extra information about it. It just marks a break in the sentence. Go through the example. Rahul, Sita, Manisha looked so tired. Here Rahul, Sita and Manisha is a group and to present information about them, m dash is used between them. Similarly, in the class, some was shouting, as no one was watching. The m dash can also be used to mark a break in a sentence. It can be used in place of semicolon and colon. Usually we don't care about the dashes we use in our sentences. Actually it matters. Here is a famous quote by Albert Einstein. Time as an illusion. So here an m dash is used to provide the source of quotations. That's why m dash is also used or called as quotation dash. Next coming to the n dash. The n dash indicates the time difference or span. We can say that it replaces the word and, to or through. Means instead of writing and, to or through, you can simply put an n dash, so it indicates a range of numbers or span of time. Example goes like this. Our school hours 9 am to 5 pm was changed to 9 to 2 pm. Here the dash used present the time as an n dash. Next one. He usually works out 2 to 3 hours. Next we will see about hyphens. Hyphens are different from dashes. They are used to combine two or more words to make a new one. The first example is well-mannered. Here, the two words well and mannered are joined by a hyphen. This is not a dash. Same hard and working are joined by a hyphen to form hard working. You should take care not to use hyphen as a dash and a dash is hyphen. Next one is the figure dash. Figure dash has same width as any single digit. Used within numbers. Example your phone number, means the size of this dash should be equal to a space required by any single digit. The tilde is dash. The tilde is also a type of dash, different from normal tilde. It appears like a big tilde and is used to placed after a term to be defined. Means when you are defining a term, you can put this dash and define it. Other tilde-alike characters are small tilde, tilde operator, wave dash, wavy dash, full width tilde. So do you think that the use of dashes affect our grammar? If you write a wrong dash, is it correct? See the examples. The first one is wrong, as the first is an N dash and the second one is M dash in a single sentence. Just see how to put correct dashes. How to print these dashes on computer or laptop? Well, in a word processor, just click on Insert tab and go to Symbols. From the symbols you can select the required dashes. When you select a dash, its character code is displayed in the box. You can press Alt plus the character code to insert the same. Better you go insert symbol then symbol and select the required one.